Hey, it's Mark Podolsky, the Land Geek, and over the next series of videos, I want to talk about frequently asked questions, but I want to take it a little step further because the frequently asked questions are really important, and I'm going to answer them, but really there are the should have asked questions that I think are going to be way more valuable to you than the frequently asked questions. So the first frequently asked question is, what's the difference between Land Geek land investing training from all the other training programs out there? It's a great question. So to answer the question, essentially, the way that we're different is just our philosophy that we don't want you to build another job for yourself. So essentially, our training is really focused on building your passive income to let freedom ring, right? I'm pointing at the wrong place with the camera. To let freedom ring. Freedom being that you work when you want, where you want, with whom you want. The idea of not having to be at a certain time or a certain place ever again, like just true freedom. So if you want to continue working your job, you can. If you don't have to. And then that's, to me, real wealth. So real wealth is making money in your sleep. Money is great, but it only solves money problems. I want to solve a money and a time problem. So that's probably the first big difference. The second one is the way that we execute on that. We have LG Pass, which is the Land Geek proprietary automated software system, along with geekpay.io, which essentially with software automates 90% of your business. Then we throw in the Land Geek VAs. This is our team in the Philippines. They will do due diligence for you as well. And we have intake managers that you can use as well. So essentially between virtual assistants and software, you're 90% automated in this business. So that's the second big difference. The third big difference is our community. Our community is second to none. We have 3 Harvard MBAs. We have a gentleman that runs $1 billion private equity hedge fund. We have really smart, hardworking folks in our community with an abundance mentality. They're excited to share, and you won't really understand how different our community is online. You have to come to one of the boot camps, and the boot camps are offered 4 times a year. So basically, the big difference is a focus on wealth and passive income. The second difference is a focus on creating systems and automation so that you're not working in the business, you're working on the business. And then third part is our community, and you won't really understand that, the power of that networking and the collective intelligence of the community until you get involved. However, all of this is very self-serving. So that's really not the question you should have asked. If you click below, I'm going to answer the question you should have asked. See you then.